Learning on SwitchCase on Java. Let's get started. So, what is SwitchCase? SwitchCase are control structures, and control structures are loops, if-else statements, and SwitchCase scenarios. And they're multi-way branch statements. And based on the value of the expression, it executes that part. And the different tasks are based on case, and case are all the types of executions the switch can provide. When to use SwitchCase. It is used when you want a different task to be executed based on input of computer or user. For example, pretend we have 10 scenarios. We have 10 cases for it. If the user enters the 5th case, it has to do this, but if the user enters the 7th case, it has to do something different. That's when SwitchCase can be really useful. And how to use it. Proper syntax I will be showing in a demonstration on the IDE, and you have to start off with the switch statement, and then you write cases in the switch statement on what to execute based on computer or user input, based on type of code you want to do. So now let's try it in an IDE. I'll show you the practical demonstration on SwitchCase. We'll be implementing what we learned in the scanner class too. So let's get started. First, we have to import scanner, because we're going to use scanner in this file too. After, we need to initialize it. And if you have not already learned this, please look at our scanner video in this course. After this, you have to ask the user to enter something. In this case, we're going to ask them to enter a number. And in this program, we're going to be doing a month program. So we're going to ask to enter a month's number. And therefore, it can only be between 1 and 12. It's only 12 months in a year. And now we have to make a variable. Int month number. This is going to be my variable equals in.next int. Alright, so now we're done the scanner part of this file. Now let's do switch. The syntax of switch. First you have to write switch, and then you have to put your variable in the parentheses, and in this case it will be month number. And then you end it off with, start it like that with brackets. In this you write all your cases. I'll need 12 cases since there are 12 months in a year. So case 1 will be printed, and that will be January. Alright, and then I'll use the break syntax, this line of code. So I'll end the program after this is run. So now we have to do another case. And in this case, we'll do case 2. And then this would be February, as that's the 2nd month in the year. And then you keep on going until you have 12 cases. Alright, so now we have our 12 cases written down. But now, there's one more thing we need to add. If the user does not enter any of these numbers, case 12, 11, 10, the user does not enter any of these, what will happen? So we need to write code for that. In order to do this, you need to put a default in a switch class, and then you have to write, pretend they add an invalid month. Let's print out they added an invalid month. So then now nothing will happen. None of these cases will run. And in order to end the switch case scenario, you have to put a break again. And now we're done. And now this is our switch case. You can do these with if-else statements too, but switch cases are much more efficient in these scenarios. So now let's run it. Enter a month's number. I'll pick 5. If I pick 5, the output should be May, because May is the 5th month of the year. And there we go. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and like it, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.